Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today the Teletubbies are going for a drive in their bright red mini car. Their license plate spells S-I-M-B-A. Simba. That's like from the Lion King. There's little tiny wipers. They don't actually work, but they can move if you push them. And inside the car there are 4 seats and 2 seat belts in the front. The front dash of the car is very detailed. It looks fairly real. And on the back, it also says Simba. The trunk opens up and there's room for storage. Let's get all of the Teletubbies in the car and head off on a surprise adventure. The Teletubbies have arrived to the surprise. First they see Kitty. And they see the tickle trunk. What's inside today, Teletubbies? It's bright pink. Oh, it's a little mini Hello Kitty vending machine with juices, coins, and even a recycling bin. Let's open it up so that the Teletubbies can buy juice with their coins. The top of the recycling bin is the shape of Hello Kitty's head with a little pink bow on her ear. And there's all different kinds of juices. This one looks like, maybe iced tea? Here's an orange flavored one. And apple. There's Hello Kitty's sour face. And speaking of Kitty, she's just sitting at the side watching us open the toy. The juice will only come out of the vending machine using these pink coins. There's flowers on one side and the number 100 on the other side. How many coins do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 coins to buy 6 cans of juice. And finally, let's take out the vending machine. It comes with a little card. If you don't have coins, you can use your card. There's a slot at the top for the coin and a place for the juice. The front of the vending machine displays samples of each juice flavor, and each one has its own button. There's an apple button, a Hello Kitty with a pink bow, and a Hello Kitty with a yellow bow. And here is the slot where you insert your debit card. Let's buy some juice, Teletubbies, but first we need to fill our machine. Oops! Need to make sure we put them in straight or they won't all fit. That's better. Now we fit all 6 cans in. Close the lid. Dipsy's first in line. He inserts his coin in the top. But the only button that works to dispense juice is the Hello Kitty with the yellow bow. We never know what juice we're gonna get. Let's see what you have, Dipsy. Apple juice. Remember, it's always important to recycle. Hey Kitty, those coins aren't for you. Lala's going to use her ATM card to buy a drink. We'll insert it into the slot and push the button. What juice did Lala get? She has iced tea. Po is using her pink coin. Uh-oh. Something's not working. Po's drink is stuck in the machine. There we go, we got it loose. Po has orange juice. And finally, Tinky Winky's last. He's going to use his ATM card. Uh-oh, it's not working. Tinky Winky, you must not have any money left in your bank account. You can borrow a pink coin from Kitty. And Tinky Winky, you got iced tea. Now you may wonder, once the coins go in, how do we get them out? Well, there's a little door on the bottom, and you pull it open, and you can see all of the coins, and you can pour them out. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. The Teletubbies are waiting for some special friends to arrive today. Look who's coming, Teletubbies. It's Minnie Mouse, and she's in her bright pink car. And look, Minnie's dress even matches her car. It's pink with white polka dots. Minnie's brought her car over for the Teletubbies to ride in. Who's coming next, Teletubbies? It's Donald Duck. His car is bright blue, and he has a little Mickey head on the front of his car. Donald's going to let you ride his car as well. Thanks, Donald. There's one more special friend arriving. It's Mickey Mouse. He's driving his little red car. He has red pants to match his car. Everyone say hi to Kitty. She's just arrived to check the toys out. Now Donald, Minnie, and Mickey are going to get out of their cars so the Teletubbies can have a little ride. Since Po is red, she's going to ride in Mickey's car. Oh, be nice, Kitty. Kitty wants to play. Time to get Kitty her monkey toy. Play with Monkey Kitty, not with my arm. Now that we have Kitty busy with Monkey, we can carry on with our story. Let's take Minnie out of her car. Who's going to ride in Minnie's car? Tinky Winky will. And finally, Donald gets out of his car, and Dipsy decides to get in the car. But there's only 3 cars and there's 4 Teletubbies, so poor Lala doesn't get to ride a car. Lala says it's okay, I'll just wait with my friends. Lala's wondering where they drove off to. She's really hoping to get a turn soon. Kitty waits with the friends as well. Look, Lala, Po's decided to come back and give you a turn. She didn't want you to have hurt feelings. Thank you, Po. That is such a kind friend. Lala says, goodbye, Po, and thank you. And bye, Kitty. We'll see you all later. And off Lala went. It's time for Mickey, Donald, and Minnie to get home. The Teletubbies get out of the cars and say goodbye to their friends. Today is a very special day. It's December 24th, which means it's Christmas Eve. How exciting! We get to open the last door on our Teletubbies Advent calendar. It's right on Tinky Winky's face, and it's a double door. It must be a bigger chocolate. What do you think it will be? It's Santa's face. Of course. Merry Christmas. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today our Sesame Street friends are going for a ride in their cars. They all take very good care of their cars. Today we're going to the car wash. Blue Cookie Monster sits in his red car. Pink Abby sits in her blue and white car. And green Oscar can't drive because he has a silver garbage can on his feet. Sorry, Oscar. Red Elmo sits in his pink car. All three of them are off to the car wash. Cookie Monster was first into the car wash, and he's soaking wet. You didn't put the top on your car. We need to empty out the water. Abby was second into the car wash. She forgot to put her top on her car. Elmo was third into the car wash, and he forgot to put the top on his car. It's time to say goodbye, and thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello, and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we have a special toy. It's our little strawberry shortcake doll, and she smells like yummy strawberries. She's little freckles on her face, beautiful strawberry colored hair, a little hat, and a strawberry on her t-shirt. She's brought along her little remote control car. It has little strawberries all over it, on the wheels, on the door, on the license plate, and there's a little butterfly where the remote control signal goes. There's a seat belt for each strawberry seat and a little heart-shaped steering wheel with a strawberry in the middle. There's a special little place to clip each seat belt in so that your toys don't fly out when the car starts moving. Let's find a switch and turn the remote control car on. And look, a little pink light lights up in the front. Let's put Lala in. And who should go in the driver's seat? Maybe Dipsy can go beside Lala today. Here's our remote control. There's the little butterfly antenna. There's two buttons, forward and turn around. Here we go on an adventure. What did the little car bump into? It's our dinosaur garden. And unfortunately, it's not looking very good. we're hoping that the sun comes out and we can put our plants outside soon so they can start growing again. We still have a few hens and chicks. This little plant has been eaten by Kitty, and it keeps trying to regrow. Hi, puppy. Have you come to see what this toy is all about? Let's give you a little neck rub today. Good puppy. Puppy is looking forward to spring too. He's done a lot of sleeping this winter because of all the deep snow. Okay, Puppy, the Teletubbies have to get moving. Tinky, Winky, and Po are still waiting for their turn in the car. Excuse us. Lala and Dipsy, they've spotted the merry-go-round. Okay, one ride and then we'll go back to get the others. There's polar bears, and Dipsy's gonna ride the white horse. Lala's riding the tiger. Rawr! Lala and Dipsy are driving the car back so that Po and Tinky Winky can hop in for a ride. We're back! Yay! Po and Tinky Winky have come to see the fish. Do you see the froggy? There's 3 of them in here, but I can only see one today. They usually hide out in the daytime. And there's our snail. He's not moving either. He's sleeping. It's time to feed our fish. We don't ever want to feed them too much or it can make them very sick. Here they come to the top. They've noticed the food's been dropped in the tank. Well, I think that's enough adventures for one day. It's time to head back. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.